All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yemo Akwaba and from Inside Kotoko here on YouTube. And then someone ba ekuri ba we dey pete say you are pete
biscuit come on. Biscuit
come up. Yes, and then so bed wa ha obetu ja face comfy Mr. Frank Ababiu. So bad the kawi yamunti we free my branch and ye or come up now ya then some no ba so bad but man can say o share boss man by Monday I was have one she video na say trying we have a lot of exclusives and I'm sure say free this week corner there pages here ya I was who follow and yin some of my say ya there some add to but confirmation biaba me sure say we be in some any yes sir
na on pa there da
wasn't bad there biscuit no biscuit here come but I say sugar the does actually
really has a conversation
I say your boy Jacob Francis be choose here
your boy Jacob conversation biscuit no we ba ko abari mienu me ya je di
sa
e me like pa
sa
e me like
and e be more
me da se pa
be more
even da se bi mra bio
yes sir
ba sa ho de
I jinem pampe and then echo
Mohammed Kamara story de between
okay
what is oko
oko
you be Jawudi no so be den
between
and so be twan na Mr. Bionya sa and em Jawudi no ntwan okay now ye de diaba and eba don't forget to subscribe to the channel
yeah
story number 1 MC
yes sir
so nim Richard Akoto and I don't know account I mean
the administrative and I mean can say management in a call you know administrative manager at the Asante Kotoko you know
okay what when you do that oh stadium near there or to saying
kakra me nimfa Koto ho ye obi a oye humble down to earth and especially the interaction with the media, no, it comes with a lot of respect.
Okay.
I mean, he commands the job with respect.
Okay.
I mean, can I say because Ejuma to say administrative manager, the Asante Kotoko head marketer. Now to have somebody a warrior, na media no, channel, he always have that abotreno to speak and explain things to you. My first real encounter. I mean, we didn't come over, but my first real encounter was when Kotoko say we bought the African campaign wa Baba Yara no. Na ekoba ne say Baba Yara kra no kafofo nyintum na NSA fo okay yampofo anka bae ama ebedi hu komo bebre am say na ko South Africa ama komo bebre na akoso na Akoto ene the then spokesperson lawyer Safuduku say ziade omo ye former ana and I know more Baba Yara Sports Stadium, and they were insisting say on person game no a basso a war Baba Yara Sports. That was when many didn't come one or many didn't come extensively. And many be in some so church me buy no me who say yes. I mean he's on top of issues. That's the summary of the Akoto Minimino as the former Asante Kotoko administrative manager.
Okay.
Yeah.
MC
Yes sir.
Eboboba. Na Kotoko mi ransom no yie pa.
Rem.
Convey. Oh yeah there. Yes. Video back then not why slow. MC kun say management structure and penifo by confirmation in kakra.
Okay.
Mame am found two and him say two key positions, management positions. According to the Damanim and Asia, Yamadema said,
fantastic.
Confirmed.
I see.
Two management positions.
Two key positions. I see.
Now, the I'm a depa, kupa, one position on my school. I had the first batch of appointments.
Okay.
Do Nipano as at no MC confirm me shadi na Why no the role ni be interim. But I am there.
Sir.
Yes.
Okay.
I am there. Though no any interim, but I am there say kind the first batch of the appointments and all. A position back I can want some
okay.
The communication director. Yes.
Okay.
The communication director. Of Asante Kotoko.
Yeah.
But I am there say a kind of first one
batch of
appointments. Somebody need to speak to the
media.
Speak to the media, drive the supporters along, organize event.
Okay.
It's a statement, beba. Yeah, appointment. It's so true statement. You be a Juma, Mr. Abiyo, me say why? You be a Juma. I am a day.
Neniaje.
Pass a count.
Okay.
Because I'm count one can ya. But Yanko Akoto. Akoto betu Ejuma no so.
Oh sir.
Yes, Richard Akoto obetu Ejuma no so.
As the
administrative manager of Asante.
Fantastic.
What do you know say?
Wait a pet him. The administrative manager of a club. Nejuma nkasa pa de it say every limited liability company biane administrative manager. Ejuma no yen kofamra yen di ho nkomo yen di dwa administrative manager ejuma. Eno nti se wokọ Evin asorum kra na sofo no wo ho a yesanfa obi a efe no the administrative bishop no dey say the day-to-day running of the association no ono ne die animu. Enti Akoto de no enye adwuma ketwa saa. O yenko di player ho nkomo. Bibia be free mu bia no. E free and I say a pass it through the office. Player ben eba ebe pass it through the office. Player ben free ebe pass it through the office because letters ho adwuma nyina a administrative manager. And nti eye me de so be say wo ka say you retaining on the position is on adwuma. Apart from say me di kan say on one kasa ne su as a human being no wo be your appointment no nyina na enye wo bi odin krata say be your adwuma. And it's you need somebody as a secretary or no betumi atrotro nyoma no tentem so and so etumi ediama. Na de ba kwan man ye me de bio no so ne say now you would have continuity. One on the Wonima Asante Kotoko letterheads. Ono Wonima Asante Kotoko letters eba abonten se de ye twere no. Nya fe ne ye be fa obi de na kwakofa ye kan say ye fa obi adwuma na ya fa no se won kokoye orientation ansana wa baba ye adwuma no. There is continuity. And as a wo ye adwuma na se o former club no and as a management no wunya ba ku mienu bi wo mu a after transition no kra no question bi wo ho ma san krofo na obisa wo mo oh ade no mo abreso enema bi say se na koye oh eda ha me de ball no si ha ba bi na mo de si ne sen ana ball no kra na ya mo de to sen sa no man nyina you need somebody to guide you through even after the transition nti me de and he is no other person than administrative manager because them di kan ye no yen kofamra yen free mu fa nko nyina no a funny office and it's one of the key offices between the manager beba CEO beba ono ne de say wo hwe say everything will be in order but the ono ankasa betena se e betwotwo ho nkrata asem ne ho kra ne be nyina no club we ye per player we say ye trokrata akoma no enye coach na wo pe no na betwere enye board na be ye ho adwuma it is the administrative manager who will do all these things into ayemede. I am frankly happy. I am very, very happy. Say, you're retaining. Oh, of course. Eba na sana afi na wo be fo bi na wo hu say ne yetro kotoko letters. Say ne ye no.
Cry player bi ne kwa ha your on transfer bi.
Yes, there are files bi a na afi ne ye be church say file we sha onunim be a files ne be a. So that continuity and especially no other person than Richard Akoto. And then the position administrative manager, what better the day-to-day running of the club, you know, I think I am okay. Very okay.
Nah, and we too. Communication is where say we okay with it, say a count because Ebra wo mi ebre mu osun ana no so no wo ho asem kan.
No, I
no so nkwa akire bi.
No. Eba first appointment because Kotoko ebe started aye appointments. Appointment never bani na you need somebody to speak to the supporters. As I say will be o honma what him say see wo me. Ye kan say Asante Kotoko ye you be ni na di nkomo ahwan na akofre no. Uni obi a. But so will be a obey the intermediate between the club and the stakeholders. The other stakeholders now. I think it's very good. Say, the communication director no beba and I become the first batch of appointments so that we'll have somebody to explain things to the supporters. I mean, as a media to the supporters. I mean, catch the media now. Supporters na bit here. Yana ye be the and so you need somebody there. And see, I am there. And for and I mean, you gave me up to today. And it's easy, and so Akoto will be there to help with the writing of letters to players, to management of other clubs, to other stakeholders. Almost here say a church or that is fantastic. And then you need somebody also to speak and explain further to the supporters, to every other stakeholder. Or what Asante Kotoko. Don't forget
on acting basis, no, okay.
For now, board, most positions, one year na eba acting. That is what I am anticipating, so that would have the points. Okay, now you bet me assign when you are juma. Now when him say you kokoya 3 years, 4 years. Na se nipa na juma so ania. Sometimes pamono even though one you be akrana. Yana aiding, yana ye share the humanitarian aspect and so. And so yana kwakoyeding. But as a woman 1 year. Obeying and why you're Juma to the extent say you best signing on. I feel the able to me in the substantive. No what to me Juma. So I am okay. Once we have somebody in that position to man the affairs of the club in various sectors, I am very okay. I never concern say obed. Some of what year Juma ni na no dia club no. And the administrative, don't forget the team needs sponsorships. And you need somebody to write sponsorships. And why they na why they na worry? Why no they necessary you 2-1 amount? You need the administrative manager, and so I believe the administrative manager, the communication department, it's perfect.
Okay, next MC Joe Addison, and Watson in Canon from the look of things, Mr. Habio, a Chiridin or next director Baba. I have my reasons. I didn't kutame. Mimbo me trimusonka. But minim se woba. Kyerese no empema nkopem fiada wa onse me na ya na mpese me talk time ma me ho ebi o kine bi na ne yema koka no no wanya sasabro ne se ye twen
ya we yem kan yem sasabro
to bi yem ti kan wanya sasabro nti na me ade no se source no kra ka kyerem se obede dan na metimi ka se 70%. Sana me yem adwuma. Ba me nim say ye dan but ye nye no Friday. Oh. Why kra na abeja obesi jujun. Jun. MC.
Yep.
Ma send dimbia ma.
Okay.
Na me judi. So what I say. Until me dwumadi no, me no na edi.
Fantastic.
So far what me won say so be network on config master ho na Stanley and I'm enjoying the way I share me Stanley Menzo MC or a former player or a former coach MC
yes sir really
yes
okay
Yehunu woenfa
Kumasi
na Kumasi na yehunu no yehunu mpatam bi a any nipa oni omonam no we can confidently say woba Kotoko.
Fantastic.
Pending any last minute jiba bia ne nkrosa
bia ne bia
Stanley Menzo. Na story we no. So you be our follow series ya. There are two of them say Kotoko coaching any technical unit enya Ghana ni
that be
obi ofira ma no ne
that be
ye de atoma nim se oye nipa tuntum
but ofiri krom
but omfiri Ghana ye ni nyina atoma nim na opanyini ni ba Ghana no tie me ye obeduru airport also obeduru airport a o fele document any de ntia wura kuro no o tro se oba on a visit visit in location or Kotoko.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Airport.
Okay.
This is sources from
within.
Within. So what Choro say?
Oba Krobia.
Oba Kotoko. Na ye who say? Tie me. Nipa wo lead the Koda hotel no. O yo bia o tintintiman.
Oh Krobia.
E wo Kotoko.
Okay. Okay.
No more na sign arrangement. Emma flight and never Kumasi. I'll be found the San Koda hotel over the weekend.
Okay.
Stanley
Menzo.
The kind of Mazu and I kind of mind Mazu.
MEN
Menzo.
Yes,
Stanley
Menzo. Yeah.
Stanley
Menzo.
NTMC.
Yes, Mehudino.
Ya monitor opinion na.
Okay. Yes.
Stanley Menzo. Officially, as at this time, I made a video. 322 Kotoko Embo Nidin. But this is what my sources can. The sources I trust.
Okay.
I'm a mature to Facebook. I'm in fan to her. I'm in fan to.
Okay.
I'm fan to us this year. My member Facebook for me. Member just in. My member is see
fantastic.
Almost Mr. Stanley. You intro Mr. Stanley. We have video now. No one say, and I won't say Menzo. Mr. Stanley, welcome.
Yes, Stanley Pearl Menzo.
Pearl count.
Yeah, you didn't hear 4.
My member send this is here to Facebook.
Okay.
No Facebook for no Stanley. No, I'm for Stanley. No more. Oh. Na omon chain official way no everybody.
Yes sir.
The woman here, according to my sources, he is coming to be the technical director of Asante Kotoko.
Okay.
Or bad the Kotoko technical unit. You're trying Kotoko for official announcement.
Okay.
You need time on the but yet you could tell you. Now opinion I can't want me. MC.
Yeah.
No a goalkeeper. No more man in history.
Okay.
But Suriname. Also Suriname. And Curaçao. Omo ye Kura Holland for na Dutch for any deal almost colonize you almost. This is Ghana and Nigeria Britain for.
Okay.
Inti bebre no. Omo tie for omo ko Dutch pa. To check here. There were a lot of Dutch legends omo free Suriname.
Okay.
And they be free Curaçao. Just a Suriname World Cup no. Oboya could do last game I will lose
playoff.
Yes. Now so obo papa.
Yeah.
Opinion menyantie so why coach ama Suriname. What you memo anya abotre na.
Fantastic.
What do you mu pa. What dey tete ho send your Kotoko for no confirm a. Yeah, the story behind the story na be dey. Ebeba. Enti dey da wo hyehye am dey e ma wo. E wo opinion ne ho no. MC Suriname Dutch. Omo na easy more almost say on Beko Holland. I say what study most of Mali, Burkina, Senegal.
So yeah na a France ho nya.
So before so be call the profile no. What there? 1 year contract. That is what I'm hearing.
Okay.
With an option to renew. You be change got official announcement
okay.
To determine if what we are saying it works with that one based on their sources but the idea we should be free or pay ni ade and so the kakrebi
before some echo profile also no I think say he has a rich background as a goalkeeper. Any team awada ne caps awadi ne adwuma awaye no any mpinfo awoni o ma ye adwuma no so he has that rich ideas obetumi e de aboa ni coaching career so kra no was also started as a coach event saying trainer, and event goalkeeper's trainer, sorry, or started as a goalkeeper's trainer, as a what do you what do you call PMO? Maybe I know what can Suriname, one national team, just 2025 year. Anka wodi omo ewurem wo World Cup. Suriname country no en shada nso sa. 360,000 population. Kitwe bi ben South America hono, but like you said, ayifodi omo so pa Netherlands. Enti wada go kra dia ma the Dutch national team pen. Even though hono and to me antentam kese pa de. But wo ye adwuma 6 matches and we nya die for Dutch national team. The orange of Netherlands, and when you 6 matches spent on that.
Share the profile now. Real profile.
Jabi.
A confirm answer. But the who can dear. Nim dear.
Nim
dear. What Nasro Naya Boashe. I don't want to say Tanami. I was so.
But said the work no. I'm say profile no yankomu sesi but back home metumi aka to whet the appetite of Asante Kotoko supporters and they say much of ne ni nyina no chairman ko hona and some about ho di ane much of ne okay, much of ne career ni nyina no was spending here e Ajax Amsterdam. Ajax e one wo di na grow pop. What do you say? We call Ajax at the age of 19. And our boy ya first 3 years no na enshada tentam. What do I say? And we do real more but was spending 10 seasons e Ajax. Okay. But first 3 years na last 7 years no ono na da po mu over 240 games. And the Dutch national Ajax Amsterdam. And the footballing career no wabo adwuma ebra Ajax for AJ wono European Cup oni na UEFA Cup no daso ginemu a wabo adwuma dedenden ofiri wo ko Bordeaux enso koda ho kakra wono so gigi bi kakra de boaye ni nyina no se bre no ba na se ye biebie mu a ye betete ho ni nyina so e de amatie but one interesting thing wada po mu wa Ajax ni nyina no onim goalkeeper obetu no ebra wono efri ho no e no mokofa Edwin van der Sar sabre na Edwin van der Sar eye the second option for Ajax ebra no Menzo eye goalkeeper enti afede enyini ni ba mu a wada 10 years 7 continuous no and I'm paying for years so game we there okobo on goal bi and no na man paying for years no afede yemfa kola Yosua Edwin van der Sar wo be legend e de Manchester United no ono so e de be nti wo free wo no na Van der Sar. So you could really trace say 1 year, you know, just a goalkeeper.
There's a boy no nimbo.
Wo boy. Wo Bobby. Coaching so at the right time no we'll go deeper into the career where you in the footballing career kakra bi. Ya the kakra beto so. Na for years and so we do mahwe ni coaching career. Teams are well coachy. Any, you know, technical directorship na djuma obetumi aye ni nyina so no etumi e dia bo. So a little about Menzo no, I feel say it's very 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 commendable. Okay. I believe say ade bia eso ani the level of Asante Kotoko say the ye hunu ha no I am very okay. Say ono na eba to say the ye tetene dia I am very very okay. Say Woba be the technical director for Krobia Asante Kotoko. Ono aba ne say me sure say nche bia coach in the academy.
Now ebia no man technical director. Ebia no man no what you say. Ebia no man coach. Any ade. Enti yen twen so.
Okay.
Na yemfa we ni hookie atiefo no.
Okay.
Now the news behind the news in ya me twen. So munya de hwim say kim. Na ne
yes so good.
I am the ninja. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.